Sorry about that. This is me. Okay, so today, sorry about that. I said the wrong thing on accident, but I might not be posting for a while. Okay, I still feel that sneeze in me. So because I might be doing things, because y'all know school is starting up, and sorry about that noise. It's the fan over there. It's being loud. And oh wait, hold on. Let me show y'all me. That's me. That's me. Yes. Okay, let me turn it back around. Flip, flip, flip. Okay. So, yes. Yeah, so, yeah. I'll see y'all in a while. So, yeah.